Those dilly green beans, page 58. Okay. Okay. My name is Sandy Oliver. Probably my interest in farming stemmed from my interest in food. It's hard not to be interested in where your food comes from. I think there's just something about watching a plant grow from seed to the finished product that's just unendingly fascinating. Every year is a little bit different. How a plant responds to weather and insects and viruses and all the other things that can happen. Watching soil develop as you put compost and manure in it. If I feed the soil will feed the plants. It means everything to me to be able to grow my own ingredients. So growing my own potatoes, my own onions, my own garlic, being able to make a meal from the food that comes from this property is just a marvelous experience. How to grow a good green bean is the same way how to grow anything in a garden. Pay attention. You're looking for, disease, you're looking for insects, and then you're looking for the right moment of ripeness. If you pay attention, you'll be rewarded. There comes a time, when there's a lot of green beans and you eat them fresh and you put them in salads and you do this and you do that and the other thing with them, and then you get very tired of green beans. That's when I do the dilly beans. I like to use at least one head of not fully formed seeds yet. Somewhere between a blossom and a seed, I think intensifies the flavor. I'll put it right down in the jar and then pack the beans all around that. Pack them just as tightly as I can so that I don't have to have as much brine. If it extends beyond the ½ inch or so that you need for headroom, I slice them right off the top. Then I make up the brine with the water and the vinegar and the salt. Put a funnel in the top of the jar, pour in the brine, make sure the top of the jar is dry. I usually process these for about 12 minutes, starting from when I hear the canner bubbling. I love that rattling sound that you get in a canner when the jars are all jumping around a little bit. There's a particular sound I wait to hear. When the timer goes off, I pull them out, and that's what you get. They taste so good in the wintertime when they come out crisp, full of dill and garlic flavor. Just delicious.